everybody. Today I'm going to be making some coconut fried shrimp, and I'm excited about it because I have so many ingredients to share here with you. First, I'm gonna start with the seasoning ingredient list. You want to make sure you have some baking powder for this one, some olive oil, honey, canola oil or coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, coconut milk, crushed pineapple with juice, not syrup, and some Creole seasoning salt, cornstarch, Old Bay seasoning, a garlic powder. Of course, you're gonna need some butter as well. You're gonna need some coconut flakes. I'm gonna go over my food ingredients. I have, if I didn't tell you, some of the jasmine rice from the Asian market that I picked up. Some broccoli florets, 2 jalapenos, 2 mangoes, 1 red onion, 1 red bell pepper, a lime, and a cutie or a mandarin, whatever you have in your kitchen, fresh garlic, corn on the cob, okay. I have 3 eggs. I'm probably only going to be using 2. I have some Hawaiian beer and some jumbo shrimp. So tonight I decided to make some coconut fried shrimp. I've got London helping me. She's peeling and going to help me devein all of those big colossal shrimp that I have. I'm working on my mango salsa because I think it'd be a nice addition to the coconut fried shrimp. So I'm just starting with cutting up my bell pepper. And for the mango salsa, I think I'm just gonna keep everything diced and very small. What is it, Pooh?
Do you want me to leave the tail on or no?
You know what? We could leave the tail on because it'll make it easier to dredge the shrimp.
Okay.
I'm working on my jalapeno. I have halved it already and removed the rib and the seed. This helps take down some of the level of heat. For those that cannot handle it. Me, on the other hand, I am still eating spicy food and loving it. So far, my stomach's so good. So I'm mincing the jalapenos really tiny because, don't worry, I'm gonna let you guys see. Get down. Pow. So far, so good. Okay, now I'm getting ready to dice this jumbo onion. And I want to make the onion really small because it's fresh and I just don't want it to overbear my mango salsa. So because we have 2 mangoes, I'm only going to use like half of this onion. So I still have a lot left. And I've sliced some thin rings, and now I'm gonna dice them. And now we have our lime. I'm just going to have that because I'm gonna use both. And then our little cutie. For the mango, peeling the mango makes it a lot easier to cut. And when you cut a really big piece of the mango off, you just wanna dice it. Get as much meat of the mango off of the seed that you can, because the seed in the middle is pretty big and it will get in the way of you getting all of the meat off of your mango or fruit. So I'm just dicing up the mango as such, like I did with the bell pepper, the jalapeno. Now we're going to mix up our sauce for our mango salsa. And I'm just gonna start by squeezing this mandarin in here because we want acid and oil. That's all we want. acid and oil, and that will make you a dressing. So we've got our lime, and I am a pulp fan, so I don't need to separate any of what comes out of my lime. If you want to separate it and you do not like pulp and all that good stuff that comes out of the lime and the lemon, and don't put it in there. I'm gonna put some olive oil, just a tad. I'm gonna put some apple cider vinegar, just a little bit. I'm gonna add some honey. What the heck? Who does this to me? Is this so nobody gets any honey? Oh my God. Like, this is insane. Jeez. Like, I'm not exaggerating. That was rude. That was rude. I feel like you don't want me to have any honey. Okay, I'm just gonna put some in there like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix it all up so you can see how pretty it is. I forgot to get cilantro, you guys, when I went to the store. Normally, I would have cilantro in my mango salsa, but I don't have it. It's okay.
Master got me work.
I found some
Sunday master
cilantro in the
set me
refrigerator.
free.
She's just peeling shrimp. Like, these kids, I swear. I don't know where she gets that song. I think it needs a little more. Oops. Yeah, a little bit more bites. But the flavor's delish. Yes. Look at my mango salsa. And I found a little bit of cilantro in the refrigerator from yesterday's dinner. I made fajitas. Did I show you how to fajitas? Now, guys, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cloves of garlic because I need those for both my broccoli and my corn. Okay, now that I got my big pot filled with water, I'm gonna add my 4 garlic cloves to there. And I'm going to season my corn with some Creole seasoning. It's the weekend, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise in the background. I also like some Old Bay on my corn. Gives it a nice, oddly smoking, refreshing flavor. Some seasoning salt, of course. And with that garlic in there, that's all I need. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil and about 1/4 of a stick of butter. And that's just gonna make it perfect, in my opinion. I don't measure. So I've got another pot here for my broccoli. It starts off that full. Then we're gonna add our chopped garlic. Remember that we minced? I have taken out 7 of olive oil. Follow me, okay? Just olive oil over the top. I'm gonna season my broccoli as well. Some seasoning salt. I just like seasoning salt more than sea salt for my broccoli. That was about 10 shakes. Back and forth, back and forth. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Put some in my corn. A big container of black pepper. I probably won't run out of black pepper for a long time. I've had this since the restaurant, and it is still with me. I think I should try this beer though, just to see. You know, if the flavor is what I'm looking for. Because I'm not going to use a whole bottle of the Hawaiian beer for my dredging station.